Number 13. Canary Island. Bathed in sunshine, the Canary Islands are located near North Africa and offer their own unique charm. These 7 Atlantic islands feature a stunning mix of volcanoes, sweeping sand dunes, lush forests, and dramatic cliffs. Hop on a ferry to Lanzarote to experience a camel ride through the volcanic landscapes of Timanfaya National Park. Explore Tenerife, where Mount Teide, Spain's highest peak, is located. Enjoy the sandy beaches of Gran Canaria or hike through Garajone National Park on La Gomera. Additional adventures await on the smaller islands of El Hierro, Verdant La Palma, and serene Fuerteventura.